When these people were having a nice excursion out at sea, watching the graceful dolphins play, they had no idea what they were about to experience. As one dolphin approached their boat, the little fellow decides to do the unexpected. The dolphin shamelessly joins them on the boat, leaving the tourists in total shock. In this panicked situation, they all froze, not knowing what to do. But they knew they had to figure out a way to quickly get the animal back into sea.